Videfit Review. Videfit, what is it? Videfit is a video marketing cloud-based app that uses interactive video elements like questions, CTA buttons, quizzes, HTML codes, Google Map, videos, opt-in forms, clickable text+images, hotspots, and many more, for better engagement and conversions. As interactive video is getting popular for both brands and customers, many brands and individuals are researching how to use this advanced technology in their business. It couldn't be more true because people prefer watching interactive videos than traditional and static videos. It's effective than traditional videos because you get longer viewer attention. Adding interactive content keeps people interested and makes sure that they are continuously engaged by your video content. You can directly promote different kinds of offers you want from your video. You can place direct call to actions to do various actions, linking to exclusive content, linking to social sites, or sell something to your viewers. You can collect more leads from your videos. However, we need to accept the truth: creating interactive videos is a daunting task because it requires too much complicated coding knowledge and video editing skills to make an interactive video. People need to buy domain and expensive hosting to host interactive videos. You hesitate to burn your hard-earned money on hiring expensive freelance video editors. The cost of outsourcing this task will burn a big hole in your pockets. Learning and depending multiple software, technology or skills will take away your precious time and money. Doing it manually needs tons of time and effort to see results pouring in. You need prior technical skills to master this art. Most of the tools available in the market come with a hefty price tag, yet provide only a limited set of features that don't match your needs. What if you could turn any boring, dull video into an exciting, engaging video that contains interactive elements built inside of the video? Yes, that's right. Not outside of the video, but directly inside. My friend figured out a way to breathe new life into any boring video and turn it into an engagement and profit powerhouse. It doesn't matter how dull or uninteresting it is, and lets you stay light years ahead of the competition with the big cost, effort, or technical know-how. And after 1 year in the making, he is excited to present it to you. Presenting Videfit. In only 5 steps, create your first interactive video with Videfit. Step 1, upload. Upload the video link or file itself inside of the Videfit web dashboard. Step 2, drag and drop. Drag and drop the elements you want inside of your video, and edit when you'd like them to appear in the timeline. Step 3, customize. Customize the elements to your liking to match your business branding and press save. Step 4, copy and paste. Copy and paste the responsive embed code into your website. It is mobile responsive and compatible with every page builder and platform out there. Step 5, blast. Blast your video to up to 2B visitors for an instant influx of traffic by pressing the special button inside of Videfit. By adding interactive elements to your videos, you are squeezing as much profit as you can out of your audience. Because for the early users of Videfit, they are offering access for just a low one-time price equivalent to the price of a takeout dinner for a couple. Get started with Videfit now. Videfit features: work in any niche, 100% newbie friendly, fully customizable, unlimited interactive videos for better engagement and conversions, dedicated and ongoing support. Get unlimited social traffic using their inbuilt bulk social schedule app. Promote products, grow social profiles, show guidance, show directions, collect leads, segment your viewers through unlimited interactive elements placed on the video. Effortlessly bring new life to your old videos. With Videfit, no tech skills needed, just drag and drop and press save. Start building your list by adding opt-in forms directly inside your videos. Get traffic rolling in by blasting to 2B visitors in one click. Process payments directly inside the video. Add file downloads directly inside any video you want. Collect feedback from your audience with quizzes and polls. Add maps to your videos, helpful for local marketers. Boost conversions with call to action buttons inside your videos. Unlimited video hosting, no domain, hosting required. Embed and share anywhere, add text, logos, images, and even Google Map. Premium support and step-by-step video training included. What Videfit can do for you: add CTAs, call to action, to your videos, It helps you promote anything you want or use it to get your viewers redirected to your social profiles, exclusive content, etc. Add quizzes and polls to videos. Instead of using boring quizzes/polls on websites, emails, now you can drive more people's attention, aka more conversions, by placing quizzes/polls right inside your video. Add opt-in forms to videos. Videfit helps you collect unlimited leads on autopilot. Add videos to videos. It helps you to provide more details about something you are saying/advertising in your video. Add countdown timers to videos. It helps you to create urgency to increase conversion. Add clickable text to videos. Use it to do promotion or show instruction. Add clickable images to videos. Use it to do promotion or show instruction. Add clickable file download to videos. It helps you to give away something to viewers when they watch your videos. Add custom HTML embed to videos. Be flexible by adding your own HTML campaigns. Add Google Maps to videos. Videfit helps you to show directions to a specific place. This feature will be a good fit for local marketers. Built-in analytics. It allows you to know how good or bad your campaign is. Preview your campaign. It helps you to check how your interactive elements look like before publishing it. Embed and share your campaigns everywhere. Grab HTML code and embed on your website or landing page, or share campaign URL to social media using their built-in bulk social schedule app. Built-in HD stock video library which you can use for your campaign. Click schedule unlimited interactive videos to 21 social platforms for whole year. Real schedule social app, which allows users to schedule their videos to be posted to social media by any specific date and time. They host unlimited video campaigns on their server. You don't have to buy a domain or hosting to run your campaigns. Videfit price and OTOs. Videfit regular, $17. Create interactive videos and blast it to 21 social media platforms simultaneously, or use schedule feature. In-depth training plus premium support. Curate trending videos from top social platforms. Auto 1, Videfit Pro, $39. Create unlimited interactive videos with unlimited interactive elements. Integrate unlimited social accounts. Unlock more trending content from Pinterest, Instagram, Reddit, Tumblr, BuzzFeed, YouTube, Meme Search, News. Auto 2, Videfit Advanced, $39. Embed custom interactive elements to your video. Upload your own videos to their video drive. Embed a video to your video. Add hotspots to videos. Access to 1M HD stock video. Detailed analytic dashboard. Auto 3, Videfit Done. For you, $79. Part 1. The groundbreaking software collection that allows you to create stunning social images, animated videos, video ads for your social accounts. Part 2. You will get some stunning DIY graphics that you can use, 100 high-converting DIY videos, 800 royalty-free graphics, 200 customizable logos, a collection of infographics and editable banners, DIY thumbnails. Auto 4, Videfit Agency, $97. Allow users to manage videos for their clients. On top of that, they allow users to add 100 sub-users into their account. You can add 100 sub-users to your account with Videfit Agency. This is perfect if you have VAs or any outsourcer. You can also get their DIY agency includes Professional Agency website, Fiverr sales kit, DIY email templates, DIY social marketing suite, DIY video sales letter, DIY client contract template, business card template, exclusive client landing training. Auto 5, Videfit Club, $39 one time, 4 groundbreaking apps plus weekly internal training plus brand new software. Auto 6, Videfit Reseller, $127, unlimited licenses, resell Videfit accounts and keep 100% profit. Click the first link in the description to get your discount now.